guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up default master item attribute values that's going to be used to help the receiving process for your employees. What does this mean? So what this is going to do for you is allow your employees to receive equipment in quicker, faster, and more effectively with cleaner data. And with cleaner data, you're going to be able to leverage that and take that data and send it out to eBay, Amazon, Newegg, potentially generate pricing sheets and different lists for your customers that are buying this type of product. So in this example, we're going to go receive in a part number 765466-B21. Initially when you're receiving in a hard drive like this, you can see in this instance of Razor, these are required fields. So every time you're receiving in a product that you have to fill this type of data in. It's time consuming, and employees will type in, certain characters, uppercase and lowercase. So in order to bypass that, we've set up default master item attribute values. So you could go to update master items, go to the attribute tab, and you can see the different attributes that are available for this particular set. So in this case, we're going to set it up as a 7200 RPM. The form factor is a 2.5 inch. The interface is SAS. The capacity is 2000 gigabytes. And the data transfer rate is 6 gigabytes a second. So once that's filled in, the next time you receive that product in and type it in, you're going to have the values pre-defaulted. So you can see here all the values are filled in. So in order to edit these in the future, you also have the option to go to Inventory Master Items. And in this screen, you could search for different master items and preset the values. Once resulted back, you could double click on the item. It'll open up the master item edit screen, go back to attributes, and you can make your edits and changes here. So that's how you set up pre-defaulted values.